Hi friend, my name is Krishna here. In this video we'll discuss about a surface command, the boundary surface. So let me choose the plane. I'll select the top plane, sketch. Now just draw one circle here, or else you would draw one this center rectangle like this. Click OK. Now exit from a sketch. Now just go to feature, select this reference geometry plane 1 and choose this plane. Now just rotate. Now just go to surface reference, select the plane. I'll choose the top plane and give a distance 100 or 50, whatever the distance will be from this plane to this plane. I'll give a distance 100. Okay. Now select this plane, sketch, normal, and make polygon. Okay. Now exit from a sketch. Now just rotate. Now just hide this plane. Now just go to right plane, sketch, and draw one profile. Go to normal. I'll choose a spline. Now just rotate. Yes. Now just go to exit from a sketch. Now just go to surface and select the boundary surface. Select the this is plane 1 and this is plane 2 and this is direction 2. So I want a curve of object like this. So select this object. So this is our boundary surface. I think somewhere is intersecting. So now just go to again surface, boundary surface. Select this plane and this plane. Now just rotate this. Okay. Now just go to direction. This is our direction. Now just go click the OK. Now it's happened. So this is called law of boundary surface in SolidWorks. Let me give you one more example. Select the top plane, sketch, draw one rectangle like this. Click OK. Exit from a sketch. Now go to feature, select another plane and go to top, select the top plane and give a distance 50. Okay. Now just rotate. Now select this plane, sketch. You can make a polygon or you can make a square, no problem. Okay. Exit from a sketch. Now just hide this plane. Now go to front plane, sketch, normal. Now go to line, draw one path. Now click the exit from sketch. Now just rotate. Now go to surface, boundary surface, select this plane 1 and select this sketch plane 2. So I think error is coming here. So yeah, why it is coming error? Because it's not intersect. Boundary surface, this plane and this plane. Now just rotate this and select this profile of path, this one. Okay, so this is called boundary surface in surface command. Okay, thank you.